Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my channel. Now, in today's audio blog is what we're going to talk about is how to make mistakes gracefully. So stay tuned.
Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action.
Now, if you guys have never been to this channel, what I really love to do is inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of each one of these areas, we would eliminate hunger, famine, slavery, war, disease, poverty, and have more health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit on this entire planet. So, if you guys believe in that message, go ahead and let me know. Okay? So, how to make mistakes gracefully. Now, all of us makes mistakes. We are all human. None of us are perfect. Nothing happens perfectly the first time we do things. So, a lot of times when people make mistakes, they want to quit and give up and complain and get angry, but mistakes actually makes you a better, wiser, smarter person. So again, when you make the universe for allowing you to actually grow and learn from that so you don't make the same mistake again, and then you can teach other people not to make that mistake as well. So again, when you make a mistake, change those negative thoughts into positive ones. Just be thankful, be happy. Say, I'm so happy and grateful that I was able to make this mistake because it allowed me to gain wisdom and intelligence and be able to grow and further my career being, or whatever you want to put that. You could tailor that message to however you want. But when you do so, it will actually show you that, wow, making mistakes is part of the growing process. Because if you study any successful person from Andrew Carnegie all the way to Oprah Winfrey and all in between, you will see that they all have made mistakes, but they have grown from those, and they actually chose to take a positive approach versus a negative approach when thinking about those mistakes. So again, when you make mistakes, be happy, be grateful, know that it's part of your process, because when you look back 5 years from now, you will that came from that, and you'll be appreciative more and thankful more for the things that you actually have because of those mistakes. So don't let mistakes get you down. Let them actually get you up and lift you up and make you feel happy and abundant, and go around other people who also have made mistakes, because again, everybody has on this earth. Some are more willing to admit it than others, but again, go around the people who have like minds, who are like-minded, made, and how they've grown for those, and you will see that you have so much in common with those people, and it will just inspire you and lift you up to actually keep pursuing your dreams and greatness, because we all are meant to do something great on this earth, but only 5 or 6% actually choose to do so. So I want to actually increase that number to 10, and then next lifetime, 20, 30, 40, 50%, whoever is passing down the positive information from generation to generation. So that's all that I have for you guys. Again, if you guys like this content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you are notified when new videos are released. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on these different topics, and share these out with people in your tribe and community who needs to hear these messages. So I want to leave you guys with the quote of the day, and this quote is from George Bernard Shaw, and he says, "A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing." Greg with Planet Green Zen signing off. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.